Greetings Maqabane, Lamsholos, comrades. Ngifisa ukukhuluma ngento NFP bafowethu. Comrades Gcina Dlamini, unobhala Victoria Mxenge bafowethu. Bafowethu ngifisa ukukhuluma ngento NFP bafowethu. Just yesterday ngibone i-press conference ebenziwa amalungu e-NFP ala KwaZulu Natal, even though we know NFP vele KwaZulu Natal kuphela, but akwi leadership ye-province KwaZulu Natal. Yabo mangibuka le video comrades, ngifikelwe into ethi ukubeka ngokwami ngabe siwumkhonto wesizwe siyaphuma kule nto NFP. Ngabe siwumkhonto wesizwe sibuyela on the ground njoba senza ngo-2024. Sikhohlwe le nsambatheka ye-NFP bafowethu. Bafowethu le nto ye-NFP bafowethu inesiphithiphithi kakhulu bafowethu. Ngisho singangena government through NFP, we still going to have a problem yokuthi kuzofanele hlezi siba please sibancenga because bebodwa abavumelani. And comrades, siyocela compromise ezingama policies omkhonto wesizwe just to please them ukuze bangaskipi kwi-power. If I had a chance you advise leadership, because comrades, yeke indaba ye province, President Zuma must take a mic and explain to abantu ba South Africa abavotela umkhonto wesizwe ukuthi no, it's not the end of the road ukuthi province sayiphucwa. It's not the end of the road. We must prepare for local government and sishane local government comrades. I-province izoyibuyela make sawina omasipala bakwaZulu Natal. Sikakwazi kuba kwaZulu Natal kuphela njengamanje. Uma singawina omasipala i-majority omasipala bakwaZulu Natal, i-province izoyibuyela comrades. Kulele kuthina yabona okuncane NFP bafowethu. Mina ngibona izolo ngendlela abahlukene ngayo labantu. Ukuthi ngebazi basize ngalutho. As much as uBhanzi vumelana nathi comrades, but naye uBhanzi vumelana nathi because bamncisha iZululand. Fase kukhulu iqiniso. uBhanzi has an opportunity ngasiqala into le uyokusebenza nathi onqa uBhanzi ukusebenza nathi because they promised him bazomnikeza iZululand abo ume. Uma bengasamnikeza iZululand useyabuyisa zoba ngakuthina. What if efika ngakuthina comrades a demand more? What if efika ngakuthina sithola umasipala avela demand uzoba imeya eseThekwini ulokhuzana? Athi if singafuni imeya eseThekwini uyoskipha kwi-province sokwenza njani? Comrades asiphumele into ye-NFP. Asiphumeni kule nto ye-NFP. Let us mobilize people for ulokhuzana lento le. Let us mobilize for people for local government. Siwina umasipala i-coalition e-correct izozivelela yona. Ezobe i-principle le kaBhanzi bafowethu le NFP ngiyacela ngiyazi uBhanzi bafethu siyamthanda sama-social mkhonto. Kodwa bafowethu i-organization kaBhanzi bafowethu is in tatters. And ileso simo esinjalo nje inosomathuba abaningi including yena uBhanzi bafethu. Bafethu silimaza ukuthi basinikeze ipower NFP, sinikeze ipower kodwa futhi sibe leyo power singakusenza kahle because bona basincikiselela ngale power. I'm making an example. Maybe ngathi bafuna iTheku. Siyojikela naso soxabana sodwa lemkhonto sithi hayi akufaye banikeze iTheku kukhona kube khona bathi abanikeze because basinikeze iprovince. No. Comrades asiwina umasipala bethu uma ukuthi asiphathe iprovince siphathe umasipala uyeza 2027 2029 bafowethu uyeza senalo ithuba lokuphatha izwe nokuphatha iprovince. Asingangeni ku coalition bafowethu engekho principled. Asingangeni ku coalition based ekutheni uBanzi wancishwa iZululand. Yabo? La bantu bafuna ukusenza nathi bafethu baclear. I-press briefing yazo lengiyibukela izolo bathi basho bathi bahlala umhlangano kwabizwa wonke ama region eNFP afika vumelana the basibiza bakhuluma ngo better devil but i-GNU is a better devil than umkhonto wesizwe. Today we are in alternative. No, makabani, we are not an alternative. It's because uBanzi uyabona ukuthi i-local government iseduzane i-local government uyazi umkhonto wesizwe uzowina kakhulu. Yabo? So that's why manje ufuna uku-associate nathi and maka savuma comrade I can tell you njoba idemand iZululand ekatheni ukuthi nizodemand uItheko. And so besangana comrades. So besangana, I'm telling you, in the environment. So besangana comrades. Yabo? So please makabani. Into kaPanzi asiphumeni kuyona. Ahlale nje si opposition but there's nothing wrong about opposition. Ahlale and that's not funny ANC isithanda ukuphatha noma kuthiwa sifuna ukuphatha at all cost. No, it's not funny ANC comrades. Asibe in opposition, sihlale opposition comrades. And go to the ground, stand the ground comrades. The time will come we would sleep the comrades because Natal. But I ngalo clever be NFP comrades. Ngeke. Uzosilimaza bafowethu. Ngiyanicela kube siphumele into NFP. Ngiyanicela ama ground forces, ngiyanicela ama members omkhonto asiphumele into NFP bafowethu. Please.